Good morning. Have a great Tuesday, everybody. It's going to be another warm, sunny, hazy, dry day around East Tennessee. Temperatures top out in the mid to upper 80s, so at or slightly above average today. Humidity stays on the low side, dew points in the 40s and the 50s. But that's going to be changing here over the next couple of days as our dew points continue to climb. That's adding more moisture to the atmosphere, and that's all in association to Tropical Storm Francine. Francine's likely to become a Category 1 hurricane throughout the day today, zip its way up the Mississippi River Valley, and bring us elevated rain chances. Now, with that said, the high clouds will start to increase on into our Wednesday. Thursday, we'll have some scattered light rain showers, but the atmosphere is really dry, so I don't expect a whole lot. So, a little bit more unsettled, if you will, but I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans this weekend. It should be scattered in nature. By the end of the weekend and the start of next week, rainfall totals could be anywhere from a half an inch of rain to over an inch and a half. So, we'll keep you posted on that as we get closer to the weekend. And you can always check it online, easttnweather.com, or by downloading the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a free app download. Just search East TN Weather, all one word. Look for the orange TN and the white lightning bolt. Have a great day.